Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are to consider this expression here on the board. We are to simplify 3 root 12 plus 10 root 3 minus 6 divided by root 3. I put down your first solution. I put down the question down here. You have 3 root 12 plus 10 root 3 minus 6 divided by root 3. Here, note that this is over 1 and this is over 1, and the LCM here is root 3. When as such, you are going to multiply each term here by root 3 and divide it by root 3. Then, in that case, we are going to have it root 3 multiplied by 3 root 12. That to give us 3 root 36 plus root 3 multiplied by 10 root 3, that to give us 10 root 9 minus root 3 multiplied by 6 divided by root 3, that to give us minus 6. Then divide by root 3. When we simplify the numerator first, we have here 3 root 36. That to give us 3 multiplied by root 36 will give us 6 plus 10. Root 9 will give us 3. Then minus 6 divided by square root of 3. Then if we simplify the numerator further, we are going to have here 3 times 6, that will give us 18. Then plus 10 times 3, that will give us 30. Then minus 6 divided by square root of 3. Then now if you have here 18 plus 30, that will give us 48 minus 6. This will give us 42 divided by root 3. We're now going to stop here. You need to simplify it to its lowest term. Then now you are going to take the conjugate, you are going to rationalize this again. You are going to rationalize the expression again, and this is equivalent to 42 divided by root 3 multiplied by root 3 divided by root 3. Then here you're going to have here that 42 root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3, that will give us 3, and this equals 42 divided by 3, which will give us 14 root 3. And this is the simplified form of this given expression here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.